Let me guess. You are ready to start your career or progress, but you don't know how to execute a strong resume and cover letter, or you've been confused by the many how-to videos, which is not helping you to deliver a competitive resume that receives the attention of the hiring manager. I get it. I was once in your position. This is where Better Careers can help. We have combined more than 10 years experience across recruitment and HR. We have helped hundreds of young professionals and fresh graduates just like you. In our past years of operation, we have been delivering our service on a one-on-one basis with a premium fee. Our clients are generally highly motivated and coachable. They come to us as they willingly seek for professional guidance through online advertisements and referrals, and the results are phenomenal. However, the aha moment happened when we realized we are limited by the time of how many peoples we can serve. To make it more of an affordable course to reach out to the many more people, this is why we are here. A course that is designed in the simplest form to get you the desired result. A strong profile that is competitive in its day and age to enable you to receive phone calls and interviews regardless of the filtering system. So how are we going to deliver this? Using a step-by-step formula where we have broken it into 3 sections. Consider it like a workshop where you will learn and complete each step, so by the end of this course, you'll be on your way to your dream career. The question is, why wait? Join us now where you embark on an amazing journey, just like the others have.